English-Czech, have versus
mít,
laugh and learn. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Hey do, ready to laugh and learn Czech? Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Today we'll crack the English verb, have, in Czech.
mít,
You'll speak all the useful forms.
mám, máš, on má, ona má, ono má, máme, máte, mají.
Without sweating your grammar socks. Let's roll. Your goal today. By the end, you'll say every form clearly and confidently, like a language ninja. Base form, to have equals.
Mít,
I have equals.
mám,
You have, singular, friendly, do, equals.
máš,
He has equals.
on má,
She has equals.
ona má,
It has equals.
ono má,
We have equals.
máme,
You have, plural, formal, equals.
máte,
They have equals.
mají.
Mini dialogue, the ticket hunt. Listen and repeat, act it out if you dare. You, do you have the ticket?
Máš lístek?
Friend, yes, I have it.
Mám,
You, great, he has the plan, right?
on má,
Plan? Friend, yup, and she has the map.
ona má,
Mapu. You, the gadget, it has battery?
ono má,
Battery? Friend, we have snacks.
máme,
Suzenki. You, all, have water?
máte,
Vodu? You, relax, they have bottles.
mají.
Lave. Narrator, dramatic whisper, plot twist, everyone has everything. Language chaos avoided. Call and response drills. IQ in English, you answer in Czech after the pause. Speak out loud, yes, you. Say, I have time.
Mám čas.
Say, you, do, have a pen.
Máš pero.
Say, he has a book.
On má knihu.
Say, she has an idea.
Ona má nápad.
Say, it has a new engine.
Ono má nový motor.
Say, we have a reservation.
Máme rezervaci.
Say, you, plural, formal, have tickets.
Máte lístky.
Say, they have time.
Mají čas.
Culture and tips. Quick hacks to sound natural, tiny tips, big wins. Czechs often use have in fixed phrases. To be hungry is.
Mít hlad.
To like is.
Mít rád.
Negation just adds ne.
Nemám.
I don't have.
Nemáš. Nemáme. Nemáte. Nemají.
And for instant victory vibes, say.
Máme to.
We've got it. Pro tip. Keep the accent long in forms like.
Mám. Máš. Máme. Máte. Mají.
Lightning quiz. Answer fast, trust your gut. Say the check out loud before the reveal. Ch.1. Translate, you, do, have.
Máš.
Ch.2. Translate, we have.
Máme.
Ch.3. Translate, he has.
On má.
Ch.4. Translate, they have.
Mají.
Ch.5. What's the infinitive, to have?
Mít.
Bonus. Translate, you, plural, formal, have.
Máte.
Speed shot, she has.
Ona má.
It has.
Ono má.
Challenge and goodbye. Last push, then victory dance. Challenge. Chant the full set in order with me.
Mít. Mám. Máš. On má. Ona má. Ono má. Máme. Máte. Mají.
Nailed it. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing a minute a day, and you'll fly. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. For more lessons, games, and resources, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Děkujeme. See you next time.